Yeah.
Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to the channel. So today's the day. I'm so excited. We're gonna be installing the fourth brake light on the 370Z. Right now I'm heading over to my buddy's house, exterior garage, and we're gonna show you the installation video of how to get this on your car the right way. So stay tuned for that. I'm heading over to his house. I'll see you guys there. All right, you guys, we just made it. My boy Exterior Garage's house. Now, we're gonna install the fourth brake light. I got it from ijdmtoys.com. Definitely recommend that place. So first things first, you wanna take out all the carpets in the car, and then we're gonna take off these panels, and we'll get to you when we do that, all right? All right, so you're gonna wanna take off the weather strip. So we're gonna do that now. This way to about there. I'm gonna take these panels off. And then we get in here. Lift up from underneath, just to pop the tabs out. That will pop out. Just gently lift, following your fingers to the top. Unplug the tab. Pop the other one here. Alright, so then once you pop that out, just throw it away.
Yeah.
Alright, so next you're going to want to take off this panel. Same thing, just lift gently, pull the tabs off.
Just put it to a pile of trash.
It is a 10 mil, 8 mil underneath. Show them that. Right there's going to be an 8 millimeter and then a 10 mil. Those are going to be the only 3 bolts that you got to take off. So we'll get to that right now. Alright, so we're going to start with the 8 mil first. There's one, and then we got to get the 10 mil. Ooh. Squeak. Okay, so I'll be the only person on YouTube that actually shows you guys how to take off this rear brake, because no one shows you, and it's so annoying. So you do not pull up, you pull downwards and out, and it should slide right out. That was so easy for me because I've already done this, but trust me, you guys, the first time you do it, it's gonna be a... So unplug this tab. There we go, plugged out.
That's it.
There you go, sir. Nice, so you got the rear brake light out. This is where you're gonna be working on the wiring. All right, you guys, so the splicing begins. So first thing you wanna do, you're gonna wanna take off this black tape. Then with the light that comes in the box, you're gonna have your negative black wire. You can put that to the side for now. Your red wire is gonna run to the green. Your green wire from the fog light is gonna run to the red, and then black goes to black on these 3 wires. Then your white wire is gonna hit the reverse light with the green and white wire. So we'll show you guys when we take everything off and splice them to give you a better view. All right, so now we're gonna take the reflector off. First thing you wanna do is take a flathead and pop this pin out. Thank you, sir. There we go. Okay. When that pins out, then you can get underneath here. It looks like another 8 mil. So it looks like there's 2 8 mils. Can you pass me that? There's gonna be 3 of those tabs connecting up here. You have 1, 2, and 3. That's connecting this plate. And once you remove that, you'll have room to get to these bolts that are holding the reflector. That one.
By the way, check out the Nissan family.
Yes, sir.
K24.
Got that Infiniti G35.
That one too.
Woo! Alright, this one's out. So glad I held that. It didn't fall on my face.
What's up? Oh, that way, pa. Went that way.
Once you get those off, you have access to that bolt. Alright, so once you release those 2 bolts, you now have the reflector. Don't need that anymore. Alright, so you do want to keep the bracket that comes stock with your car, because that's where the light is going to sit into. So once you finish that, now you can move on to feeding the wires through here, and you're going to come up through that hole, and it's very simple. So if you have a 2-man job, one guy can stand up here and pull it through. If it's just one person, you can tie the wires to a piece of rope, connect that rope, feed it through here, and pull the wires and fish it out yourself. Either way, I got a homie today, so we're gonna help. So we're taking a little break right now. My boy got me some food. I've never had better hospitality here. These people are awesome. So definitely find yourself some good friends. Keep hold of them. I'm gonna enjoy this food. We'll get back to you guys when we start the installation again.
So we got the light installed.
Yep. So the
Snap
hardware
the
that comes with it, you're gonna put these 2 bolts on the connecting screws that come on the back side of this. Screw that into the plastic holder there, the OEM plastic holder that came with the car. You're gonna want to feed the wire through the top portion of that plastic holder so that you can go and feed it all the way to the left brake light.
You see it?
Sure.
Doesn't really matter how it goes.
We going fishing. Then, ow. Take a screwdriver and you slide it through. Trying to get the angle of the camera on. You won't be able to see it, but if you, yep, he's got it. He feeds it through, and we are. All right. So that's how you feed it through from the bottom. It comes to the top. And now we're gonna get to the wiring. First things first, we're gonna take off that black tape.
Careful not to go all the way through. If not, you're gonna splice that wire. Have a shortage. And water gets in it.
No go.
All right.
Alright, so we just spliced the green wire. Now you can decide to split the wire in half and then twine the other wires together and tape it, or you can just cut the rubber off and then do a T section, but we're gonna do it this way. Gucci. All right, so once you get them spliced, you want to tape them securely so no water gets in there. Just have it as tight as possible.
See how this one has a little bit more play?
Mm-hmm.
A couple little snags, make sure they don't come out. How do you think, Chief? You think that's cool?
Yes, sir. So just to recap, you guys, black goes to black, red goes to green, and green goes to red. And then the white wire is going to go to your reverse light. Sorry, the white wire is going to go to your reverse light, which is the green and yellow wire running this way, right here. So we're going to tape this up. And we're gonna do the rest to the other two. We'll get back to you when we're done with that.
Independent.
All right, so we got black to black, green to red, red to green. What we're gonna do now is tape those wires together just so they're secured. And then we're gonna move on to the reverse light and we'll get to you with that.
So this one's gonna be independent because if I get it, then it's gonna like pull. And
Yeah, so we're just gonna leave that independently.
I could just,
Actually, yeah, I would honestly,
tape
yeah,
those, right?
tape
Yeah.
this right here just so this end is secured. And then we should be good.
pull it around town. We are around town. Then you do this. There we go. That's it.
It's beautiful. All right, now we're moving on to the reverse light. Okay, so we're gonna extend.
So like right here, you want it right there?
Yeah, just to cut this black piece off, and then we'll cut the wire in between that. Nice.
Hey, you see that pristine?
Yeah, I saw it.
I used to work with knives all day.
Got them chef hands.
Exactly. Alright, let's go with it.
So you are gonna cut just the
Cut
height.
the-
So y'all just gonna cut just the green and yellow wire. Expose the wiring. I can never work with those. Every time I use that, yeah, I always cut the wire entirely. Or that happens. Every time when I do that shit. There
Ah,
it is.
cut too short. Just a little bit more.
That,
The white one. Okay, it reaches. Would you ever go with an electric turbo?
I would ask. No, because I want like an electric car that has a turbo.
Nah, like Audi's coming out with electric turbos.
What the fuck?
Yeah. You can
Audi's
get one
bougie as shit.
You can get one on Amazon. I think some dude was doing it. I don't know. What is it? Oh, like that's crazy. You gotta charge that. Hold on, guys. It's at 50%. Wait for me. I don't know. I think it'd just be better just to have that sound, that actual turbo sound.
Yeah, and that's
for
the thing.
gas.
Like, and same thing with like gas cars. Like, I don't really give a shit how fast it is. Like, our cars are slow, but it sounds nice. You know,
Exactly.
our cars are slow compared to other cars, but it's just
Exactly.
like,
Just the way it sounds.
Yeah. Sounds like we're going fast. Sounds like I'm kicking it.
Okay.
And then you want to retape. Yep, the black and the. Yeah. Cool. And then let's just get one more on the bottom of that to cover this.
There's you.
All right, y'all. That's all she wrote. Ooh wee. Sheesh. All right.
You want to plug it in real quick?
I was about to say, let's plug it in and see if it. Yeah, let's see if it works.
Step on the brake. Dang, it looks tight. Yeah.
They're not supposed to work on the car.
No, I know.
And then,
Throw in reverse. Well, I think you got to turn it on.
light on?
Nah. Oh, it is, yeah.
White light?
Yeah. Like, take your foot off the brake and put it in reverse. Put the e-brake. Yeah, they're on.
So it works?
Yep.
All of it? Oh, I'm so stoked. Let me see it. All right, y'all. So with the slack of the wires, we're gonna tape them together, just so it's not dangling all over in the back bumper. And then
I'm gonna take that off your hands.
grab in there.
You want to grab the
Go.
tail light.
Uh-oh.
Stick it to the wrong point. So all I gotta do is just get a blade, slip the tape, and you're free.
There it is. All right.
Slide them on.
Go ahead and hold this. Bow. Like a glove. Like a glove. All right, you guys, so we got the metal bracket back in place behind the fog light, ran the wires all the way through. I taped some of the excess wire from the back bumper and then taped the wires together right there, if you can see some of it, just to keep some wire management nice and stable. So now we're gonna put the bolts back together. From here, we have the 10 mil, the 10 mil, and the 8 mil underneath. And then once we're done with that, we're gonna put the fender liner in, all that, and the car's done. I'll show you guys after we put everything together. Ciao. The thing I've been waiting for all day. Ooh, sheesh. Time to get it started. Let's show you guys what's up. All right, you guys, final product. It looks so clean. Brake light and the reverse light. Woo! I am eventually gonna get some LEDs so that these aren't yellow, they're white and they match that. But I am so happy. I'll send you guys another video, a little night shot so you can see what it looks like during the night. But oh my God, I am so happy with this. Woo! Damn, at night, I mean, I'm in a garage right now, but sheesh. Highly recommend you guys. ijdmtoy.com. Get yourself a 4th brake light.
Sorry, Snoopy. You can't go with us. Dogs aren't allowed on the school bus. Woof.